Hello to all my friends out there. So one thing that really helps is eating all the food down. So I bought $5 worth of food and I still have some sausages and green beans left. And I still have some potted meat left. So I'm going to eat my green beans here in a minute. And so I have some crackers that I bought at Walmart. So I'm going to have some potted meat on my crackers. And so I will just keep eating the stuff down until it's all gone. So I have one ramen noodles and one can of Vienna sausages. So I could just stockpile this. And then I have one little bowl of refried beans that I made so I can make a couple burritos. This is really good leftover. This is my macaroni and cheese, my Mexican macaroni and cheese. I have 1/2 portion of the Spanish rice I made. I have almost the whole bag of the pizza crust mix, so I can make some pizza crust. So I'm going to come back in a little while, and I'm going to, this was from the $5 Walmart shopping I did. I probably have more stuff, but right now I'm just going to be eating this. Okay, so now I want to tell you some stuff I bought today. I bought this, I don't know what these things are called. Anyway, covered container for $1 at 99 cents only. I've got something on the bottom of my can of. I can also eat peanut butter and jam on my crackers. But what I wanted to show you is today I bought marked down for 50 cents, one can at 99 cents only, one can green beans, and you saw what I made with the green beans, one can fruit cocktail, because I don't want to be running out of fruit, bread, and vegetables, and one can of mandarin oranges. What I like to do with mandarin oranges is bananas, mandarin oranges, and coconut. What I like to do with the fruit cocktail is if I have apples or fresh fruit, I add it. Or I could pour yogurt over the top of my fruit cocktail. Or I can drain my fruit cocktail and freeze it. And I'm probably going to do that. And I like to mix mini marshmallows with fruit cocktail. So I just wanted to show you guys what I have left before I start cooking. If I have food left over, that is fine. I eat it all eventually. So I want to encourage you. So, you know, a lot of people go, well, I really don't like cheap food. Well, cheap food is cheap and plentiful. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.